Guys, so we've been struggling with the 16 combination Punnett squares, and so I'm making this video to try and help us understand better. So I'm going to use the highlighter just to make sure that I highlight the correct letters that go together. So from parent 1, we take this first B and we put it with the first C on parent 2. And then we do the same thing with the second B of parent 1, and then we put it with the second C of parent 2. Now, we start from parent 2. We take the first B of parent 2, and we put it with the first C of parent 1. And then finally, we do the second B of parent 2 with the second C of parent 1. Now we have to write our gametes, right? So those are the things that decide, they're genes from your mom and your dad, or your parent 1 and your parent 2, and they come together to make you. So as we see, that BC to the uppercase B and lowercase c in green give us our first gamete. So our first gamete is uppercase B, lowercase c. Okay? Our second gamete is lowercase b, lowercase c. And that is because both of them, so I'm going to number 1, 2. So 1, 2, right? And then you can follow the colors on the other side. Okay, and then our third gamete is in pink. So we have a lowercase b and an uppercase c. Okay, and then finally our fourth gamete, so our last one that we need to check, is in this dark navy blue. So we have a lowercase b and an uppercase c again. So after we get our gametes, we come up to our Punnett square and we just put those at the top. So I'm going to go in the order. So for 1, we're putting it over the first box. So capital B, lowercase c. Okay, and then you have lowercase b, lowercase c for 2. So you're just going to keep on going over, right? And so the third one is lowercase b, uppercase c, and again, lowercase b, uppercase c. Okay? And we have it on the top, but we also have to do it on the side in the exact same order. So on this side, we have our uppercase b, our lowercase c, our lowercase b, lowercase c, lowercase b, uppercase c, lowercase b, uppercase c. So I'm going to start typing because I think it's going to be more helpful, but I am going to highlight the different gametes so that we can see them in our boxes. So that first one is going to be yellow, second one is going to be green, third one is going to be blue, and fourth one is going to be pink. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight the ones down the side different colors as well. So that first BC is going to be red, the second one is going to be that navy blue, third one is going to be gray, and fourth one is going to be purple. Okay, so now I'm going to do what I think is going to help the most. So instead of writing in the letters, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the highlights in, and then I'll go back and I'll write the letters over it. So this first yellow color goes down to the 4 boxes below it. So BC, 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 right? Okay, and then same thing with the green. So BC, 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 all right, and we just keep going like that. So by the time we get done with this, you'll be able to see the color coding of where each of these gametes go. So pink, 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 pink. All right, and now when we get to the side, it's a little bit more tricky, but what you do is you go across, because it's a cross, right? So just like that. Okay, and then same thing with the navy blue color. Cross, 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 cross. And then we do it again with the gray. Okay, so gray, 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 gray. And last but not least, the purple is across as well. So I hope this helps, but what I'm also going to do is I am going to put the letters in as well, just to help you out. So B, lowercase c, capital B, lowercase c. So for me personally, I rearrange it, like y'all heard me say in class. So I do my 2 B's and then my 2 C's. So I'm not going to do that for this Punnett square just because I want y'all to get the hang of it. So for this one, again, you're going to bring down BC. Okay, and then BC. All right, so what I want you to do right now is I want you to pause this video, okay? And then I want you to fill in this Punnett square by yourself. At the end, I'll finish going through it, and you should have the same thing. If you still have trouble, just reach out to me directly and I will help you right away. Okay. All right, so this is the completed version of the Punnett square with all of its color coordination. And in just a second, I'm going to show you what you'll normally see, which is a non-color coded version in alphabetical order. Okay. All right, so final look at this Punnett square. You have a black and white Punnett square. You have it alphabetically. Shown. So as I said before, I like to do your first letter that you're looking at, and then your second letter, and do it in alphabetical order. So yeah, if y'all have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I know that this is a little difficult, and I'm definitely here to help. So thanks.